How to change Gemini language on Google app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the language of the Gemini AI feature in the Google app. So if you want to communicate with the Gemini in a different language, this guide will walk you through all the steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you are here on the home page, simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on settings option. And here once you are in the settings menu, simply scroll down and tap on the Gemini option. And once you are in the section of Gemini, simply scroll down and tap on the language option. And a new page will appear with the two language options. From here, simply tap on the main language option. And now here you will see a drop-down menu with a variety of language to choose from. So simply select your preferred language and simply tap on it. And after selecting the language, the changes should take effect immediately. If not, simply restart the app to apply the new language. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed the language for Gemini in the Google app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.